Okay, let's hit this running. So now we're going to put in his arm, his rope, his little mechanical arm in here. So let's, best way to start that would be to put in his cylindrical joints. So we're going to use the work plane tool. It's going to make our life a bit easier. And I'm going to, instead of using the standard cylinder, I'm going to use one of our cylinders here because they give you a bit more control. So just have to find the right one. Okay. It's not these. There's one other one. Okay, I think this is the one we want. So let's see. Yes. So see, we can control the radius. So right now, let's drop this down to 3 by 3. Still too big. Radius down to 2. The height, that is. Alright, now let's move it over so we can see how it looks. Hit F to zoom in. Okay. So yeah, that's a bit too big. So let's go down to 2 by 2. Okay, I think that's about right. Go to 1 millimeter in the height. Okay. Might be able to go to 2. It's a little high, so let's try 1.5. Okay. And I'm going to change the color. Okay. So we're going to go edit, duplicate. So here's the center one. And this one actually is a lighter color, so we're going to go with let's go a little bluer. Okay, and we'll duplicate this one again. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's pull back and take a look. Okay. All right. So when I look close, these are a little thinner than this, so I'm going to drop that down to 1 and this one to 1. Okay, move it up. I think that feels better. Okay. Now there's a cylinder connecting it to the next one, so let's make another one. So we're going to select these 3 and create a group. We'll go under color, multicolor. I think I missed it. There we go. All right. So I'm going to duplicate this group. And let's slide it over. So we want this part to be pretty even with this because there's going to be a cylinder coming through here. So select both of them. We're just going to raise them up just a little bit. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. So deselect, select this group, I'm going to ungroup it, I'm going to rotate this 90 degrees, and I'm going to undo that because I forgot to duplicate it. So edit, duplicate, now let's rotate it 90 degrees. Alright, so now by keeping these controls, using this cylinder with the controls, it's easier for me to go in and make these changes and know that this is going to stay centered. And I'm going to increase the height to 5. Use the arrow key. Still a little thick. Needs to be a little longer. So let's go to 6. Right. And let's go 0.75. I think this will do that. Yeah. 0.75. All right. So we need to regroup this group, multicolor, and select that and that. So we want this fitting in between this hole that we made here. So we just move that down and we keep everything aligned. Okay. I'm going to select deselect, select the cylinder, change it to this to match. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to rotate this a little bit. Okay. Use the left arrow key. All right. Probably make this a little thinner. Go 0.5. There we go. That'll do for now, and then we'll set up this cylinder. So select this, ungroup it, select this piece, edit, duplicate, gonna rotate it 90 degrees. And this one, change the color, and let's increase the height to 10. Alright, use the arrow key to move it out. Make it 1.75. And 1.75. There we go. Now I'm going to rotate it. So we want it to connect to the other joint. Okay. Now we'll use the right arrow key, just using our eyes, and rotating around, seeing how it's looking. Not bad. This needs to be a little longer, it appears. Okay. All right. That's looking good. Probably go darker. Let's try. Yeah, that looks better. All right. So ungroup that. Same thing. All right. Much better. Okay. So that's part one. In the next one, we'll try to put in the claw and put a little detail on this. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching. And if you like what you see and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe.